Rainer, a warm welcome from my side. I'm very glad to have you here on site in the heart of Berlin, in our recently opened factory. Yeah. I'm very proud of that because it's a major milestone for us, which we have succeeded here to realize and to do, with the core element being our stack for the Electrolyzer 300 project. Yeah. And it's a similar design, not as advanced as in your project and the pilot project, but a similar design as you will see it also in your H₂annibal project.
Yeah, and thanks a lot for this opportunity. It's really a great installation that you have here, and you can really be proud of it. And for us, it's really great to see really now the technology in reality. And so far, we were only talking about theory, about design, about parameters. And now here, it's really standing here. And we are really grateful for this opportunity.
Yeah, and I'm especially grateful that we have the chance with you to do this advanced PEM design, so to say, implementation on our pilot project. And I'm especially thankful for the granting which both of us received, so to say, to make that happen, because it's a milestone, a key milestone in the further development and towards the industrialization of our products.
Same for us. Evonik made a clear commitment towards sustainability. We are part of the Science Based Target Initiative, and there's a commitment that Evonik will invest until 2030 around 700 million euro into sustainability, with a target to roughly reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 30%. And within this initiative, our site developed a concept, more a vision, how to transform a chemical site to a completely green one. Yeah. And an electrolyzer, a water electrolyzer, produce hydrogen and oxygen in our case, is one of the key components of this. And therefore it fits perfectly.
Yeah, and the other big advantage from us, obviously, is besides selling this plant to you, is of course that we, by decarbonizing, defossilizing the industries, can also receive pre-products which feed our processes and our manufacturing processes in different areas, like in the power plant business, in the wind turbine business. So that's also a big contribution from this side.
Exactly, and we see it the same way, because our standard products already find their use in the wind farm industry. We produce chemicals which are used for wind turbines, and now being able to say that we produce raw materials for this business. These wind farms produce green energy, which we can now use also to produce green raw materials again. And to close this circle is great to see.
Whereas if we go further, if we think further, and we are establishing, as we said, 1 gigawatt per line here per year, that is about 1,000 elements, they all want to see power.
Definitely.
And there's an issue with the cost, and there's an issue with the availability of it. Yeah. So I don't know how you see it in your business.
Yeah, we really see this critical, because when you look at the amount of electrical power, it's really an enormous amount of electrical power that we need in future.
It is.
This demonstrator that we are realizing right now, in the end, doubles the amount of electrical power that we need, and it only provides roughly 50% of our hydrogen consumption. When you think about extending this production, we triple the amount. When you think about producing other raw materials also with this green technology, then we are also doubling again our hydrogen consumption. So I have no idea how we will solve this problem in future, because it's not only the amount of electrical power, it's also the price of electrical power.
It is, and it's the element, I think, which hinders the fast growth of other projects to happen.
Definitely.
And which hinders now, of course, the industry to take the right decisions.
Yeah. And the Chemical Industries Association in Germany made an indication that we need an electrical power price of roughly 4 cents per kilowatt hour to have really an economically feasible price for this electricity to be economically competitive to other countries. And this will be definitely a challenge. But for now, we have a cooperation that is, from our point of view, extremely fruitful. We really enjoy this cooperation with you. We see your competence in this area. We see the motivation of Siemens Energy in this area. And we are extremely confident that we will have here a successful project and have a start of a sustainable development of our chemical site. And it's really a key component for this chemical transformation process that we want to continue afterwards with other projects. And in the end, we hope that we can even use the hydrogen for biotechnological transformation of carbon dioxide to raw materials. And that would be perfect to close this circular process.
Absolutely. And thank you very much for this positive feedback. I mean, I feel it from the very beginning that it matched.
Yeah.
I think we have the right aim in front of us. We have a good teams working on that. Very collaborative modus.
Definitely.
I think that's the main ingredients to succeed here.
Definitely, and we really enjoy the cooperation with
Rainer,
you.
thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah, it was a great opportunity. Thanks a lot.
All the best. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.